Take onions every day and get a treasure trove of health benefits. But don't make this mistake that millions of people make when taking onions. Mistakes that you should completely avoid. How do you eat onions in the right way? What is the quantity you should eat? What type of onions should you eat? How do we use onion tea? How is its juice extracted? What are the diseases that eating onions help treat? Is eating onions beneficial in treating weakness in men, increasing fertility, and make women happier? Do onions relieve prostate diseases? What are the benefits of eating onions for heart patients, diabetics, liver patients, and blood pressure patients? Bring your favorite drink and let's get to know all the answers to these questions and what modern science has proven about the amazing benefits of onions that you have never known before. But before we start, if you have taken onions, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Onions contain many important natural compounds that contribute to enhancing health in an amazing way. They are rich in powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids and quercetin, and essential minerals necessary for the health of the body such as potassium and iron, as well as vitamins such as vitamin B6 and vitamin C. First, supporting heart health. Onions are a great treatment for the heart. A study was conducted on 70 people suffering from high blood pressure. After taking a dose of 162 milligrams per day of onion extract, this helped significantly reduce systolic blood pressure by 3 to 6 millimeters. They also noticed in this study that the percentage of bad cholesterol decreased significantly. Onions also contribute to reducing the risk of heart disease, reducing the risk of heart attacks, and improving the health of blood vessels, which enhances the health of the arteries. Second, respiratory system protection. Onions are characterized by their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Due to these benefits, onions work to relieve sinus symptoms as they help relieve symptoms of respiratory infections and allergies. They also have immune-boosting properties, and therefore, onions help the body fight infections that cause sinusitis. Onions are also used to relieve pressure associated with sinuses. This is due to their sulfur content, which gives them a pungent smell and taste, which makes them natural antibacterial. Onions also help relieve congestion associated with sinuses due to their quercetin content, which gives them anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. Third, supporting liver health. More than one study conducted on people suffering from fatty liver disease has proven that adding onions to their healthy diet reduces the level of fat in the liver and decreases fat in the blood, and reduces indicators of inflammation in the liver, as onions contain substances and compounds that work to remove toxins from harmful substances in the liver, thus enhancing the health of the liver in general, which makes onions a safe natural treatment to support liver function. Fourth, improving the performance of the digestive system. Onions are rich in dietary fiber that supports intestinal health, in addition to prebiotic compounds, which are defined as non-digestible fibers that are broken down by beneficial bacteria in the intestine into short-chain fatty acids. These acids enhance intestinal health, promote easy digestion, and maintain a healthy intestinal environment. Also reduces inflammation in the stomach. Eating foods rich in prebiotic compounds, such as onions, contributes to enhancing the absorption of some essential minerals for the body, such as calcium. It also protects against diarrhea and treats stomach pain and stomach ulcers. Fifth, strengthening bones. Onions contain many substances that contribute to strengthening bones and improving bone density, such as allicin and sulfurous substances that help support and strengthen collagen in bone tissue. Onions also contain important antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances, such as quercetin, which contributes to resisting the activity of free radicals and bone fractures. Eating onions for women in menopause prevents osteoporosis and bone fractures as they age. Sixth, improves mood and sleep. Onions contain folic acid, which in turn works to reduce depression by preventing the increase of homocysteine. Excess homocysteine interferes with the production of hormones that make you feel good, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which regulate mood and feelings of happiness. Onions are also rich in nutrients and natural antioxidants, such as tryptophan, which is an amino acid that helps produce the hormone melatonin, which plays a role in reducing difficulty sleeping and entering the stage of deep sleep without insomnia. 7th, increase testosterone and protect the reproductive system. Onions increase the production of testosterone in men. Onions also play a major role in enhancing fertility in men because their production of testosterone in the body helps increase the number of sperm and improve their quality and movement. Due to their high content of vitamin B in the production of hemoglobin and reducing blood clotting, they are rich in substances that dilate blood vessels and help blood flow in the organs. They are considered a natural and powerful stimulant and improve fertility in general. In addition, they help increase blood flow to the arteries and increase the LH hormone responsible for producing the male hormone from the testicles. In addition, they reduce the risk of atypical prostatic hyperplasia, which is a nodular proliferation in the glands close to benign tumors in small atypical glands. 8th, burning fat and losing weight. Onions can be used for dieting as they contain quercetin, an antioxidant that helps burn fat. They are also rich in fiber, and using onions for dieting helps in losing weight, as there are approximately 2.2 grams of fiber per 100 grams of onions. These fibers increase the duration of feeling full, which works to reduce the intake of meals. 9th, maintaining the eyes and improving vision. Onions contain sulfur compounds that help increase the absorption of lycopene. This substance is an antioxidant and thus contributes to maintaining the safety and health of the eyes. Onions also help prevent blurry eyes and prevent decreased vision. They also help protect the lens from oxidative damage and prevent the formation of cataracts. Onions also have properties that work to inhibit the growth of bacteria and germs that are present in the eyelids and conjunctiva. 10th, benefits of onions for nerves. Onions are rich in vitamin B and potassium, and these elements are important for nerve health. They also contain vitamin C, which is a vitamin that is beneficial for nerve health, as this vitamin activates some enzymes that work to produce a compound called noradrenaline, and the function of this compound is to adjust the body's internal clock. It plays an important role in cognitive function, stimulating awareness and alertness, and supporting the entire nervous system by reducing the chances of developing some diseases, such as stroke. As for onion juice, we prepare 1 onion and cut it into medium-sized rings. The onion is soaked for 5 to 10 hours. Drink this mixture daily, 2 hours before bed for 10 consecutive days. It is preferable to choose onions with red skin, which carry the most benefits. Remember that eating onions in all their conditions is beneficial, whether eat them added to a salad dish or drink them as juice. Tell us in the comments how you prefer to use raw onions in your favorite meals. Do you have a favorite recipe or a unique way to enjoy it that everyone can benefit from? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.